Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, and now we are ready to present you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain informed about our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to overlook any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our recently launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any single one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of October in the year 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 1.32. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, recording a gain of 0.07%. This equates to an average return of 0.02% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this may signal a favorable selling opportunity. However, a breakout above the upper trend line at $489.28 would indicate a strong buying signal, and a shift in trend could be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 483 thousandths of a percent over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 10.47% to positive 1.11%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 29.55% over the next year, with potential returns between 22.16% and 43.11%. This translates to a price range of $588.31 to $689.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF down 0.0447% on Thursday. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 0.0747% on the last day Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, falling from $481.95 to $481.59. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.16%, ranging from a low of $478.99 to a high of $484.55. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 0.37% for this period. Volume rose on the last day by 1 million shares, despite the declining prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 25 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $11.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $503.52. While the lowest was $342.35. Currently, the price is 4.36%, or $21.93 below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The demand for artificial intelligence chips is experiencing remarkable acceleration, significantly impacting exchange-traded funds like QQQ, which is heavily invested in technology and semiconductor sectors. As companies like NVIDIA thrive, they enhance the fundamentals of QQQ, suggesting potential price appreciation in the short term as investor interest surges in AI-enabled technologies. In the face of lower interest rates and ongoing volatility, investors are increasingly favoring stable income sources, which places pressure on growth-focused assets. Nevertheless, QQQ's outperformance relative to benchmarks like the S&P 500, with a notable gain of over 10% year-to-date through ProShares Ultra QQQ ETF, reinforces its appeal as a lucrative growth vehicle. As the third quarter earnings season unfolds amid the backdrop of the United States presidential election, there's an opportunity for covered call strategies to provide additional income and downside protection. This could attract investors seeking innovative ways to optimize returns while managing risk. The inflows of more than $691 billion into funds targeting tech growth, including QQQ, suggests strong investor confidence in the sector's future. Despite recent market fluctuations and heightened caution regarding tech valuations, many observers believe that there remains substantial opportunity within the tech realm, hinting at robust long-term growth potential for QQQ and its holdings. Overall, the blend of technological innovation, strategic income opportunities, and a favorable macroeconomic environment positions QQQ as a compelling choice for both short-term traders and long-term investors. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal coming from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If gains continue, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $484.99. Conversely, if the price declines, support can be expected from the long-term average at roughly $475.10. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will lead to a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been detected, which could affect the near-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 26, 2024, with the ETF experiencing a decline of 1.61% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 43 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we find short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 218 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break of this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $5.56, which is 1.16% between its high and low. Over the last week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.37%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could indicate a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $481.77. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key level to evaluate for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and a stop-loss has not been established. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, QQ displays several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this ETF. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open up approximately 12 cents, starting at $481.71. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.